Hello, my name is Trip Fisk. Welcome to the Cautionary Tales of Swords. Swords are very dangerous. They'll cut your throat wide open. That's what this show is all about. Letting people know about the dangers of swords. This next story is about a dad who really messed up. It's called Honey, I Killed Our Son. It's about how you should never, ever underestimate the power of a sword in the presence of a pure, innocent child with pink cheeks.
Hey honey, come look what I bought. It's a sword for decoration.
Oh, but aren't swords dangerous?
No honey, not at all. And as I said before, it's for decorative purposes.
Okay, let's eat dinner.
Okay honey, I'm just gonna set this sword right here. What are we having for dinner? Any baked potatoes? Whoa! A sword. Whoa. Oh my god, my Billy boy, my Billy! Oh my god! Oh god!
He really messed up. It's mail time now. Dear Trip Fisk, please stop telling your stories. They are morbid and very violent. Sincerely, Frank. You know what, Frank? You're right. I think I will stop telling my stories. They are very violent and very morbid. Oh crap! I lied. Here's another one. It's called Swords Will Cut Your Hands Off.
Whoa, what are you doing? Just one of the many sword tricks I know.
Action.
Now, I'm gonna cut this tomato out of your hand. Oh God! Oh no! Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my God! No! Oh my God! Oh my God! Why? Why?
Didn't your mom ever tell you when you play with swords you get shot in the face?
Wait, don't kill me. Sure, I dress a little flamboyantly and wave a couple swords around, but I've never killed anyone before.
Okay, I'll spare your life.
Oh crap! I lied.
What happened to you out there, Trip, was the sudden release of storm-straining rocks that resulted in movement along the fault. You were very close to the epicenter. You're lucky you didn't die.
Wow.
Yeah!